If you're thinking about getting started with hunting or shooting in general, then at some point, you're probably familiar with Riflescopes. Did you know how a quality Riflescope can elevate your shooting and hunting experience to some other level? If you know, you know. But if you don't know, you must be aware of their hefty price tag. But it's not always necessary to spend a hefty amount for a good Riflescope, especially when you're a beginner. And that's why, after doing extended research, we've come up with a list of the top 7 best budget Riflescope that'll give you a precise and accurate idea about Riflescopes that won't necessarily break the bank.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
The list starts with the Leapers UTG True Hunter, the most affordable Riflescope that doesn't compromise with its features and performance. When it comes to stability and exterior, the True Hunter comes with a premium, lockable, and resettable turrets, making the scope adjustment quicker and easier. On top of that, you'll be getting flip-open lens caps and max-strength quick detachable scope rings along with the scopes. Coming to its lens, the Riflescope features emerald-coated lenses, ensuring you get the maximum light transmission and clearness. The 100% nitrogen-filled scope can give you versatility with its 3 to 9 times magnification range. The scope's reticle has a mill-dot design, which offers you an optimal aiming and shooting performance while having the versatility, adjustable parallax from 5 yards to infinity. In addition, with its easy tap illumination, you can quickly turn on or off the integrated infrared light. Overall, the Leapers UTG True Hunter is an excellent choice for those beginners who want the most affordable scope on the gun while not losing the capabilities of a quality scope. The Hawke Vintage IR Rimfire .22 Subsonic packs performance, quality, and reasonable price, so that you never have to compromise on anything even when you're on a budget. The scope has covered low-profile turrets to prevent accidental adjustments, as well as a knurled rheostat and a fast-focus collar to assist you in quickly adapting to changing surroundings. The housing is filled with nitrogen and is made of anodized aluminum, which is both sturdy and lightweight. The lens it features is 11 layers multi-coated, which will deliver maximum clarity at this price point with a fixed parallax of 75 yards. With this 40mm lens, you'll be getting about 3 to 9 times magnification, which is perfect to start your hunting adventure. This one features a Hawke exclusive red and green illuminated Rimfire 0.22 subsonic reticle, which delivers you a precise and calculated shot according to your specific caliber to hunt your big games. That said, with all these features and compatibility, the Hawke Vintage IR Rimfire .22 Subsonic becomes an ideal choice for precise and calculated shots. Up next, we have the Bushnell Trophy 6 18x50 Riflescope, a high power and variable scope that features an amazing reticle along with a great range. When it comes to its construction, the main tube of the Riflescope is made of sturdy aircraft-grade aluminum. It also got low-profile turret caps, which will ensure a snag-free performance. It's got a 50mm lens with multi-coating, which features 91% light transmission. This dry nitrogen-filled, shock-proof, waterproof, and fog-proof scope will deliver you the proper stability along with 6 to 18 times magnification. The trophy features the Multi-X Reticle, which will help you take a clean shot on your target. Not only that, you can also adjust the parallax of the scope from 10 yards up to infinity. To sum up, with all the features, multi-X crosshair, stability, and being as light as 18 ounces, the Bushnell Trophy 6 18x50 Riflescope is more than just a decent choice when you're on a budget. When every ounce matters, the Leupold FX2 Ultralight Duplex comes with a combination of lightweight design and high-performance optics. Construction-wise, this matte finish Riflescope is built with aluminum, which will provide you with a minimum weight of only 6.5 ounces as well as sturdiness. This Riflescope features Leupold's advanced optical system, which will give you a true light transmission. This 20mm lens has a full visible spectrum coating and will provide you with a fixed magnification of 2.5 times. Which means this scope is built and perfected for short-range hunting. Furthermore, it features the Ultralight Max light management system for a broader variant of lighting conditions. The wide duplex reticle has the largest center opening to ensure a quicker target acquisition and an ideal choice for moving between larger targets, thanks to the combination of a second focal plane. In conclusion, with all the functionalities and lightweight design, the Leupold FX2 Ultralight Duplex becomes your go-to option when you think of short-range hunting. Next on our list, we have the Vortex Optics Diamondback, an amazing piece of work when it comes to build, features, and compatibility. Its housing is made of aircraft-grade aluminum alloy, making the scope pretty much indestructible. Plus, surprisingly, it's highly resistant to magnum recoil. The housing is filled with argon, ensuring its optimum waterproof and fog-proof performance. It's got a 40mm fully multi-coated lens for increased light transmission, which will provide you with a brighter image and a magnification of 4 to 12 times. The Diamondback comes with a dead-hole BDC reticle, which has a customized dot design that helps to eliminate guesswork on holdover and windage corrections. Furthermore, it's got a fixed parallax of 100 yards, and thanks to its second focal plane, you'll be getting accurate sight even at the highest magnification. To conclude about the Vortex Optics Diamondback, it's a good choice with hefty features, good magnification, and stability. This can be your pick for your next hunting trip. With HDOS and EXO barrier features, the Bushnell Prime 3 9x40 Illuminated Riflescope is an excellent bang for your buck option in the budget range. When it comes to its construction, this Riflescope comes with resettable turrets and a rating of IPX7, which will allow you to use it in any weather. Not only that, its EXO barrier will repel any water, fog, dust, or oil to deliver you a bright, clear, and fog-free sight. A 40mm lens comes with the scope, which is fully multi-coated, ensuring the optimal light transmission. The lens provides you with 3 to 9 times of magnification along with a fixed parallax of 100 yards. Not only that, its HDOS optical system offers ultra-wideband coating for superior visual clarity, no matter the condition. The reticle is a usual multi-X reticle but illuminated. The 6 brightness levels ensure a precise shot on your target no matter the lighting condition, saving you time in crucial moments. All said, those were the key features of the Bushnell Prime 3 9x40 Illuminated Riflescope, making it an ideal option no matter your weather or lighting condition. Wrapping up with the Vortex Optics Crossfire 2, the best rifle scope you can find on a budget range with some essential features. The Crossfire 2 is constructed from a solid piece of aircraft-grade aluminum, making it extremely powerful and rugged. For a perfectly stable experience, the scope comes with capped turrets and nitrogen purging, which prevents it from getting wet or fogging up. When it comes to the lens, the Riflescope features a 40mm lens, which is fully multi-coated and will give you a fantastic light transmission along with 3 to 9 times magnification. Just like the Diamondback, the Crossfire 2 comes with a deadhold PDC reticle as well, with a unique dot design that aids in holdover and windage corrections. It also has a 100-yard fixed parallax and a second focal plane, so you'll obtain an accurate sight even at the greatest magnification. All in all, with the balanced combination of functionalities and durability, the Vortex Optics Crossfire 2 becomes an optimal option for someone who's looking for a budget rifle scope. So that was a list of the top 7 best budget rifle scope. Thanks for watching the video. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends if you find it helpful. And feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.